PHE cars.
It's gonna get loud. Yes! So, on a carbureted motorcycle engine, you have to tune it kind of like a car, but instead of having multiple mixture screws, you only have one. So that's what we're going to do right now. So I'm going to have to turn this thing until I get it to rev smoothly. Right here. Keep an eye on this area right here. One turn. Two. Three. It's getting better. Four. Much better. Five. Alright guys, we had a little carburetor issue and as you can see, I got it out. Had to walk 2 miles to get this thing home because the thing just flooded on me. I had one of these, you know what those are. It stops the fuel from going into the carburetor orifice too much, right about here. And if it's hard or it's not pliable anymore, it's going to start to leak out of here, which will fill this bowl up, and it'll come out of the sides, and it'll also come over here to the idle section, which is past this, and it'll go into here and it'll choke the engine and the engine will stop running. That's exactly what happened to me. So today I'm going to rebuild this thing the right way. This is the second time I've done this. It really sucks, but it's got to be done. Alright, let's do some auto CSI. Now I'm going to show you all something. Can you all see that? Okay, you're gonna see 3 things in here. You're gonna see some black dots that are floating around. See them? They're at about your 11 o'clock position. There's
big glob of it right there. That's water, and it has been dispersed by the STP I put in there. Okay? But the orifices of a motorcycle are so fine that even dispersed water won't work. It'll still kill the engine. That tiny little dot, half the size of a period on a page, will kill the motor. You see it? There's millions of them there. Okay? Now, at the bottom, you'll see stuff that's also brown or black and just not moving. That's rust. Okay? Which is bad for the engine too. So I have to get all this out of the fuel system and the tank so this bike can run good again. I'll show you something else on the filter itself. Hold on. Okay, this is the filter. Thank God this camera's got a light on it. You look closely at the very bottom, you see a black mass. Do y'all see it? Right there, a black mass. Okay? Now when I flip it, you'll see it move. You see it move? Right there, see it? There you go. That's water. So that has got to come out. So the filter did its job. The filter that I put in. Had I not done that today, I would have been stranded on the side of the road again. Oh, I'm gonna have to clean that out too. So I already got the some of the stuff cleaned out of the carb. I got to clean this out of the filter, and I guess I got to keep doing this a couple of times, and eventually the tank will remain clear, and it's never really gonna rust again as long as I keep putting gas in there. But it's not gonna matter because the new owner will deal with it, not me. This little bump here is supposed to be easily pressed in because it compresses a little bit, so it gives a little leeway to this float assembly. If it's frozen, like on my old one, it's going to cause the engine to flood. And also, this is very pliable compared to the old one, which is very hard.
Kailangan ko talaga 3 steps sa sakyan ko. So, big bore kit. Nagdagdag ako big bore kit. Stuck up, 4 years.
Did y'all like that video? I know I did. I was the one that made it. If you really enjoyed it, please help me out and help the algorithm by clicking like, share, and subscribe. When you hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to make sure you get updates on all new videos that I post on this channel. Okay? So there'll be some more videos for you guys to watch if you enjoyed that. There's one to the left and one to the right, or whichever way it goes. Okay, it's down here. Alright? So you guys have a nice day and